Part 3 of your sport report says, write a good sentence for each of the following. In language arts class, you learned that a good sentence means you take part of the question to begin the answer. What did you learn from reading this article? How would you start your answer? Yes, you would start from reading this article, I learned. Then turn back to your newspaper and find something you didn't know before, maybe about the team or the coach or a person or player or something that you just didn't know before. Come back to your page, and the second question says, name a sport you have done and a skill you learned. This question is about you, not the article. It does not have to be a team sport. It can be any activity since you were a little kid. Maybe riding bikes or swimming or skateboarding or roller skating or playing soccer or baseball or basketball. It could also be something that you are doing in PE class right now, if you are doing soccer or football in PE. It could also be a team sport that you play with your local city. For example, some kids have been on local soccer teams or baseball or basketball teams. Some people have been in color guard or in local theater and dance troupes. Find a skill you have learned. After all, that is what your PE coach is teaching you. All they do is teach the skills that go along with the sport. Here are some examples. You could say, my PE class is studying soccer right now, and I learned how to dribble the ball with my feet. You could say, I used to ride my bicycle a lot, and I learned how to turn in a circle without falling over. You could say, I am on a local city ballet troupe, and I learned how to pirouette on my toes. The last question says, since you missed PE today, what are you doing to maintain your fitness level? How would you begin your answer? By taking part of the question to begin the answer? Yes, you might say, to maintain my fitness level, I am or I will. Well, think about it. If you don't have a broken leg, you might say, I will go home and walk the dog, or I will go and take a bike ride with my friends. If you have a broken arm or something, you might say, I watched less TV and played less video games and did something active with my feet. You might say, I ate less junk food and ate a healthy diet. In any case, while you are out of PE class, each day you come, try to think of something that you are doing to stay physically fit when you cannot do PE. After you write one good sentence in each of these spaces, you have finished Part 3.